Doc has his Jeep in the shop because he broke it yesterday at Beverly. The rear end was making all kinds of noise. He took the cover off and he found the center pin. The end of it's broken off. So he's got another pin he put in the locker, and he turned it. Seems like everything's working right. So he still has to test on the road to see if everything's okay. Everything looks fine, but I don't know. Sure sounded weird yesterday. I was going to put new fluid in it and then test it. Hopefully that's all it was. I'll give an update when I get one. Thanks for watching.